right, off to the track after brekkie. After brekkie. Pops.
Brekkie.
Is this gonna make a poopy? Poo-poo doo-doos. That place was good. What was that place called? Mojo's? What is this, Meridian? Mojo's and Meridian. Shout out to them. That was good.
You'll know in an hour.
Yeah. You have a driver's meeting to get to. You can Facebook later.
Said the media fucking queen.
So we roll up, and all these cars showed up in the night.
I know.
The legend, Garrett Cromsite.
Yeah.
Wave to your fans. A little cold, a little rain. It's supposed to clear up today by 11 or 12, and we will be racing. Man, it's cold. Well, it's not that cold. 50. Cold enough though.